Making his way to the ring. T a game Pong. Put by Triple H Cat. Pedigree. What impact? Triple H Cat dominates the ring. Triple H Cat has him hooked. It's time for the pedigree. Pedigree. What impact? Triple H Cat dominates the ring. Wait a second. Ginger Fury is back on his paws. He's not done yet, folks. This is it, the final clash. Who will stand tall after this collision of legends?
Mohawk Slam. Unbelievable. Ginger Fury has turned the tables on Triple H Cat.
Ginger Fury wins. The champ stands tall. What a comeback.